Hi everyone, Rob here from Bigtank, and in this week's vlog we're looking at the wonderful, exciting, but if I'm being honest, also worrying world of using AI around content creation. Now, the development of AI has gone into warp speed in the last few years, with concepts that once seemed a fairy tale now being used on a daily basis in industry, in our social lives and in healthcare. Just last night I was watching a BBC documentary about life-saving neurosurgery, where 3D models and AI mapping was used to help remove a life-threatening tumour. Seriously incredible stuff. But where AI worries me, and where I really would love your comments and thoughts, is around using AI in content creation, specifically for article writing. Now at Bigtank, our whole ethos is around creating engaging, meaningful and emotive content to help shape and drive how people think and act. It doesn't matter if it's an animated short film or a heartfelt interview piece. The end result that we must create for our clients is something that makes waves and doesn't tick boxes. And for me, that's the real challenge with this AI and computer-generated content. Taking the phenomenon that is GPT as an example, it's an incredible platform that I really do suggest you check out. We've tested it and the results have been impressive. Ask it to write you an article on why video is great for recruitment drives and it will create some impressive content. Ask it why getting the sound quality high on a recorded interview is important, and again it will create an article for you. But these are areas that we're already experts in at Bigtank, so we can tweak, edit and correct the article to match our feelings and emotions. However, as someone who hasn't the faintest idea what type of fish are best to catch off the Isles of Scilly, if I ask the platform to create a professional piece on that very subject, it will do just that, in effect making me sound like an expert in almost anything, but where potentially I've got no knowledge, no passion or even care. And alarmingly, I've got no frame of reference there to fact check or tweak an article to suit my persona. In essence, this content is just ticking boxes. Now, I think modern life is fragile as it is, with whole personas being created on social media that in no way reflect an individual or a company's real life. Sometimes it's just harmless escapism, and sometimes it's deliberate misleading to sell products and services. So, my question in this vlog is, what do you guys think? Are these worries justified, and are we in danger of undermining real passion, care and love for something, be that a hobby, an industry or our own businesses? Or should we just embrace all this new technology and exploit it as much as we can, allowing AI to manipulate algorithms, mash data and create content for us to drive traffic to our website and sales platforms? As ever, thank you so much for watching, guys, and please do let me know in the LinkedIn comments your thoughts on this one. Stay safe and wherever you are in the world, I hope you have a brilliant day.